India, a country where we all are connected with the culture. The culture may be the wedding, many ritual ceremonies, engagement, reception, and many more things. We all are connected through this engagement, or wedding, or reception, or ritual ceremonies. These all are the events where we all people gather, and all people celebrate this. But for celebrating our any events, such as weddings, we all must go to the halls and book them for our purpose. So, for that purpose, I have created an application where we will all be connected through this. And here, not only we will connected, we will also reduce our overhead. For example, if we want to book a hotel or a marriage hall, we personally visit to that place, or we go to and see many things and we talk to them. But to reduce the time, the cost efficiency, and many more things, we have just created this application so that we can easily overcome our problems. So, hello everyone, my name is Gaurav Kumar.
And my name is Prince Kumar, and we are the student of BSCIT last year from Simage Group of Institution. Recently, the workshop of Flutter and Android app development has started, and in the results of that particular workshop, we are presenting a application, something known as Shubh Mangal app, which solves the problems of
Many things, such as the overhead of the overhead the overhead and the to reduce the manpower efficiency. Not only this, it also saves our times. For example, we have not to visit the halls or hotels for that purpose. Not only this, it also provides the better solution to at your fingertips, that for a single click we can easily get our solution, or we can easily book our anything such as hotels or any halls. So the goal of our we have discussed the goal of our project, and not only this, we have kept the themes we have followed the yellow colors indicates that a very good purpose or very good thing in our life. In Hindu mythology, yellow color depicts the Lord Vishnu also. So we have kept that theme.
Okay, so from this particular slide, we are going to start the how a user can use this particular app. This is totally user friendly. Anyone can use this particular app. So when a new user going to log in, use this particular app, the first screen will be shown to the user is sign up screen. We are familiar with the sign up screen. Every application that connects with the database that had some backend uses their sign up screen for the storing the data, storing the details. So the sign up screen is mainly used for storing the details. A user can be authenticated. These kind of tasks can be performed by the sign up screen. So sign up screen consists of full name, email, password, and the confirm password. It is two kind of password. The password should be matched for the password and confirm password. Don't worry, we will be discussing the live demonstration of this particular project. Apart from this, user can be also log in by using the Google sign-in. There are many more facilities in application of the current scenario of market or current era. We can log in with the help of Google sign-in. You can see over many more applications. So after the login, the user will be redirected to the home screen. If user have already logged in, if a person who are already user of the this particular application named as Shubh Mangal, then the user can be able to redirect on the login screen, and user will be able to log in. And after that, as I said, if user already exits, then the user will be able to log in.
So this is our home screen. where we have created a drawer here. We have provided the list tile for that purpose. And here it's a wedding screen, here it would be a engagement screen, and many more like this, hotels or halls or anything. Here my main purpose is that a person when visits this site, or she can easily see the past experience of that hall or things. Here I have kept such as Rahul weds Sia. This example shows that a person named a bride name as Rahul and a groom name as Sia, they both married earlier and they have shared their images. Here the new users, for example, I am the user and I have to book that thing. So I will come and I will see that this thing, this event has already existed, and we can already see that. So after that the screen would be our inquiry form screen. For example, after watching the whole thing, we want to inquire that I also want to book that. So for that purpose I have also created an inquiry screen, and here the fields are the name of the person that I am booking. So my name is Gaurav Kumar and I will write here name, the email of the person, that my email is this, and here the hotel select type is there. So it may be either you want to book a hotel or you want to book a hall. So if you want to select the hotel, it will show the name of only hotel in this field, or if you have selected the hall, it will show the name of only hall here, not anything else. And two other fields are the event start date. So I have used Google Calendar here so that user may not have to write the date. He or she can easily select the date and event end date. And here a message, it's not a compulsory, but if you want to write some message, so it will send the message. So after sending the inquiry form, it will
So after sending the inquiry form is included because of the admin team of the particular application who will be organizing the event have some data from the user. So after the submitting the inquiry form, user will be redirected to his email app or Gmail app, that you can say, if a person who is using Windows, or then if using Windows, then he will be redirected to his native email app. If the person using Android, then the person will be redirected to the Gmail app. For this, these are the things, these are the email of the admin of that particular application. After that, this inquiry from Gaurav is this is sentence that have user filled within the inquiry form. After that, this hotel name have extracted from the select option. After that, the event start date and event end date has been extracted from the calendar. Then after let's have a live demo of the application, how the application is working, what are the basic principle behind that, how a user can be interact with the application. For the live purpose, if I will demonstrate the live video, or you can say live application, this will be very easy to understand how a user can be interact with this particular application.
So first of all, when the user download the application, he will redirect to the login page. So here I have added a splash screen, and when the user login here, if he or she is already the user, he will write his email and password and then login. If he or she is not the user, he or she will go to the sign up button. So here for the first time user, he or she will write the name, and here I have also add the sign in with Google authentication. He or she will directly go to the Google authentication, and the email or the Gmail will directly be authenticated there. After that, So I am the first user, so I am currently signing up. So it is our the home screen, and it has redirected to our home screen. Here we can see the all the wedding section. Here we can see the different persons wedding or the old weddings, and the second screen is our engagement, and just similar to this, we all also have ritual ceremonies that we also want to, we also celebrate the ritual ceremonies. If your home has some ritual ceremonies, if you want to celebrate, we will also celebrate that. And after that, some of the receptions also, and the name of some of the hotels. Here my ID and my email has been fetched. It is my home screen, it's my hotels, marriage halls, weddings, galleries, ritual ceremony, reception gallery, engagement gallery, inquiry form, and profile screen. So these all are the things. Here when we will click on home screen, it will redirect to our home screen. After that, if we click on hotels, it will show the list of the hotels. Not only the list, it will also show the details of the hotels. Tap to see more. So for example, I am taking an example of Dream Hotel. Its address is Gola Road, Patna, and the owner of the hotel is Sriman Narayan, and it consists of 8 floors. Not only this, I have also given the field of contact and email address. From there, the user can interact to the owner of the hotel. Back to home screen. And after that, these all are the fields which I have added. And suppose that I have to send an inquiry. So for that inquiry form, here we will write the name. So I have written the email, and I want to select a hall. So it will show the name of the hall. For example, I am selecting the Vrindavan hall, and the event start date. So I want to select from 9 of October, and the event end date should be 11. And the message, I want to write something, contact me. So I am sending the inquiry form. So here we can see that it will directly redirect to the Gmail section, where all the fields are already selected. We have simply to send the email from here. So here we can send the email.
So what will happen if a user forget their password? There can be chance to user can forget their password, user can forget their email. There are service to retrieve the password, retrieve the email. Suppose if a user forget his password, then the user will be redirected. There is section something called forget your password. After by clicking that particular text, user will be redirected to the forget password screen, and when the user will enter his email, and he will be able to forget password link, and the user will be able to forget their corresponding password. So let's talk about the technology used. I have earlier said that our workshop of Flutter and Android has been about to complete, we can say, and we are the not professional developers, we are just students, and we have tried to develop a Shubh Mangal app, from the logo design to the implementation, by correcting errors, or there was many more error has been came while we are developing our projects. So we have solved that particular error day by day, or you can say each line of the code. After that, so the UI part of this particular application has been made in Flutter, and the UX part of this particular application is made in Firebase. The UI part involves that whatever screen is representing on the screen, and the UX part involves that the user authentication, how the hotels of the list are getting displayed on the screen, how the user able to authenticate their email, how the user able to authenticate their password, and how the password forget screen is working. So these all are backend parts have related to the UX part. After that, there are some features in my application. First of all, the first feature is cross platform. The meaning of cross platform is that my application will be running on any kind of operating system. It may be our web, after that it may be our Android, after that it may be our iOS. Both the platform our application will be running. Then after, it is easy to use because we have made our application user friendly. After that, it makes our communication easy. So there can be a gap between the client and the hotels and the marriage halls. So we have tried to make easier communication between the client and the hotels. After the time saving, suppose that you want to arrange a hall, arrange an event, then this particular application will be saving your time. You can arrange your hotels, you can arrange your weddings, you can arrange your events by using this particular application. After that, it is cost saving. We can say it is cost saving. Then after, no visiting on site for booking. Obviously there is no need of visiting on the site and saying that yes, would you like to join our hotel, or I want to book your hotel for this particular day. There are no any need. After that, mutual understanding between the hotel and clients. Obviously there can be a mutual understanding. The owners of the hotel can fix their price, and the client will not able to flex. The client is not comfortable for the price, then it can be declined. After that, hotels can be booked online. Obviously the hotel have many more opportunity. The hotels will get many more customers for the booking. After that, the user and the owners can easily decline to each other. Obviously because much more details has shown on the screen. If user does not like that particular hotel, that it can be easily declined. After that, we are covering some future updates. We are not going to application that was developed. We are focusing on some future updates. Booking status, currently we don't have any kind of booking status screen. User cannot be tracked who application has been get at which kind of stage. After few days, user will be able to see their booking status, sort and filter status. We can you have seen on the Flipkart or many more websites, you will be able to sort the prices of the items, or you will be able to filter the prices of the item. So this particular feature will be included in this particular application. Chat integration. Okay, if I will talk about the chat integration, many more websites used to say that one of very famous is that Kea. This is AI of a banking website. I don't have much more about that. I had heard somewhere about this particular Kea. Chat integration is nothing but chat will be integration whenever you are going to press on that particular button. You will be redirected to your message service or your WhatsApp service. After that, AI suggestion. AI will suggest you your hotels, your marriages halls, your native place, or where you will be able to comfortable your events. After that, so obviously we have two members, so let's introduce our team. We all are from BSCIT last year, from Simage Group of Institution, and my one of partner is Gaurav Kumar, and he was especially focusing on the UX kind of things. And my name is Prince Kumar, and I was especially focusing on UX kind of things, backend and the logo design. I have designed logo for this particular logo. You can see in the background of this particular page. And
after that, I would like to special thanks to the Simage Group of Institution who gave me this opportunity to learn the Flutter, and a special thanks to Sunny sir also, who taught us very brilliantly, and he taught us everything. He also taught us not only the front end, he also taught us back end also. If we go on YouTube, they didn't tell us about the backend, but here sir has taught us the backend also with the full detailed example. So special thanks to him, and special thanks to Simej also. That's all for our projects. Thank you.